define a custom image, but for now, you can use this one and rely on this one already as a splash screen for your application. Also worth pointing out here is that for the icon, and this is just a gotcha here, Alex stressed this specifically when we were preparing this presentation, the size of the icon should be 192 by 192 to work well in the splash screen. So then let's look at those last three parts of the manifest I haven't talked about yet. The display member is quite interesting, display property. So you can choose between standalone. Standalone sort of hides the browser UI and only shows the bar on top of the OS with the clock and Wi-Fi status symbol, maybe notifications and so on, and the bottom navigation bar. So this is what most apps use. You can also go full screen. This is a more immersive experience, maybe for a reader or maybe for a game and so on. We'll see another example of that later on. And there's also a browser mode you can choose. This just will open the web application in the web browser as you would normally do. The advantage of that is that you can rely on the browser's built-in navigation buttons and so on. Maybe that's what you want to do for your application and you don't want to create your own navigation around your application. Then we go back to the standalone example for a second. And what is interesting here is that the display standalone part of the manifest corresponds, you can use this with display modes in CSS. So you can use make a media query that says here at media display mode standalone, and then specify conditional styles that will only be applied in standalone mode, in full screen mode, and so on. So like this, you can make small design tweaks to give an optimal experience for the user once they have added